Menteri ramba kejela ulaong baka Sorkar kan itu no ya khat Tylli ki college ki berana kejela kum ki People's College kabomut bakan long hapo ka Ïarap bar ka no Pisa na ka Sorkar barkan siu ya katulap jong kenong hikai barkatu kat ne ngot kinong trai kat kum ka dai kini ki college ki Kynthup ya ka Thomas Jones Synod College West Jantia abong noba tura West Garo Hills Seng Christian College Mauplang East Khasi Hills District Rewar College Peninsula East Khasi Hills Loyalam College William Nagar East Garo Hills Balawan Seng Ribhoi Mausenram Border Area College Silsila West Garo Hills Seng Khasi College Jayao Shillong Mendi Pathar College North Garo Hills Sengap Singh College Maukarwat West Khasi Hills Trigitila College West Garo Hills
People's College in the state. So the cabinet has decided to approve and sanction 12 new people's colleges throughout the state. Basically, obviously we'll be giving funds to the necessary to these colleges where specific posts will be sanctioned by the government, and we'll be paying for those teachers and the lecturers and some of the non-teaching staff in these colleges. So it's a financial support, but specifically meant only for the posts and the lecturers that were there. They are, number 1, Thomas Jones Synod College, Joai, West Khasi Hills. Abong Noga College, Tura, West Garo Hills. I thought I was slow. Thomas Jones Synod College, Joai, West Gente Hills, I'm sorry. Number 2, Abong Noga College, Tura, West Garo Hills. Number 3, Krausing Christian College, Moplang, East Khasi Hills. Number 4, Rewar College, Peninsula, East Khasi Hills. Number 5, Loyola College, William Nagar, East Garo Hills. Is that slow enough?
Yes.
Number 6, Balawan College, Seng Ribhoi. Number 7, Mausenram Border Area College, Mausenram, East Khasi Hills. Number 8, Silsila College, Silsila, West Garo Hills. Number 9, Seng Khasi College, Jayao, Shillong. Number 10, Mendipathar College, Mendipathar, North Garo Hills. Number 11, Sengap Singh College, Mokurwat, West Khasi Hills. And number 12, Tikrikila College, Tikrikila, West Garo Hills.